Have you ever heard stories about people who can see spirits, predict the future, or sense things that others cannot see, even though there is nothing there? Many people do not believe these stories because they think that if something cannot be seen with the eyes, then it must not be real. Yet this idea may not always be correct, since there are many things in the world that exist even though we cannot see them. For example, we cannot see radio waves or X-rays, but these invisible forms of energy are real and are used in modern technology every day, which shows that not everything real is visible. For thousands of years, people from many different cultures have talked about a mysterious ability known as the third eye, which they believe is connected to a deeper level of awareness and understanding. Many traditions describe the third eye as a hidden point in the middle of the forehead, and they believe it is the center of intuition, insight, and inner vision, which helps people understand things beyond normal experience. Some people believe that the third eye allows a person to see beyond the physical world, helping them notice things that others cannot see. This ability is also connected to seeing spirits or even knowing about events before they happen. Interestingly, similar ideas can be found in ancient Egypt, where the symbol known as the Eye of Horus was believed to represent protection, wisdom, and a connection between humans and higher powers. And some people believe that this symbol represents a kind of inner vision that connects the human mind with something greater. Around the world, there are many reports from people who claim to have experienced something unusual, as some say they have seen shadowy figures that appear and disappear, while others describe lights or shapes moving in empty spaces where nothing should exist. In other cases, people report having dreams or sudden images in their mind that later become real events, which makes them wonder whether it is just coincidence or something more mysterious. Because of these experiences, many people try to find ways to open the third eye and develop these abilities, often through practices such as meditation, where they sit quietly, close their eyes, and focus their attention while trying to calm their thoughts. Some people also practice mindfulness, which means paying close attention to thoughts and feelings without judging them, and over time, they believe this can strengthen their intuition and improve their understanding. Some people say that after long practice, they begin to experience clearer thinking, stronger emotions, or even unusual mental images that feel very real, although not everyone has the same experience. Scientists often explain these experiences in a different way, suggesting that the brain is extremely powerful and capable of creating vivid images and feelings when a person is deeply focused, and they also explain that the brain can recognize patterns and make predictions without us realizing it. Even so, there are still many mysterious cases that science cannot fully explain, and stories of people seeing things others cannot see or knowing something before it happens continue to appear in different cultures around the world. The question remains, can some people truly see beyond the normal world? Or is the third eye simply a powerful symbol created by the human mind? The answer is still unknown, and perhaps it is this mystery that continues to fascinate people even today.